Hi there, how are you doing today?
Who is the first U.S. president?
The first U.S. president was George Washington. He took office in 1789 and served until 1797.
Name the top five largest economy.
As of 2023, the top 5 largest economies in the world are generally considered to be the United States, China, Japan, Germany, and India. These rankings can fluctuate based on various factors, including exchange rates and economic growth rates.
Open Firefox. Go to youtube.com.
I'll help you open Firefox and navigate to YouTube. Let me break this down into steps. 1. First, I'll open Firefox using Spotlight, Command Space. 2. Then type Firefox and press Return 3. Once Firefox is open, I'll type youtube.com and press Return. Here are the function calls. Now that Firefox is open, I'll navigate to youtube.com. Firefox is now loading youtube.com. Let's wait a moment for the page to load completely. Would you like to do anything specific on YouTube once it loads?
Search for videos on tariff impact on Canada.
I'll help you search for videos about tariff impact on Canada on YouTube. Now I'll click on the search bar and type our search query. I've entered the search query and YouTube is now loading the search results. Once the results appear, you'll be able to see various videos about the impact of tariffs on Canada. Would you like me to 1. Wait for the results to load and describe what videos are available? 2. Click on a specific video once the results appear? 3. Refine the search in any way. Please let me know what you'd like to do next.
Play the first video.
I'll wait for the search results to load and then click on the first video in the results.
A tariff battle could
I can see
start
the
as
search
early as
results
next
now.
week.
I'll
Trump
click on the first
threatening
video
a 25%
titled Trump
increase
Tariffs.
on Canadian
What will the
goods
impact
coming
be
into
on
his
Canadians'
country.
wallets?
Canada on standby to
Let me
retaliate.
move the cursor to the
There's
video
a huge
thumbnail and click.
widespread effect
The video
across the
should now
Canadian
start
economy.
playing. It's a global news report about Trump tariffs and their impact on Canadians' wallets. The video is 141 in length.
Open Firefox. Search for the top 5 best-selling cars in Canada. And then open numbers to create a list of them.
I'll help you with that. Let me break this down into steps. 1. First, let's open Firefox using Spotlight 2. Search for the car information 3. Open numbers 4. Help you create a list. Let's start. Now let's search for the information about best-selling cars in Canada. Now let's open numbers to create our list. I'll use Spotlight again. Based on the search results, I can see the top 5 best-selling cars in Canada. Let me create a new spreadsheet in numbers to list them. I'll select the blank template. Now that we have both Firefox with the search results and a new numbers document, let me create a list of the top 5 best-selling cars in Canada. According to the search results, they are 1. Ford F-Series 2, Toyota RAV4 3, Honda Civic 4, Toyota Corolla 5, Honda CR-V. Let me type these into the numbers spreadsheet. Now let's save the document. I'll use Command S to save it.
First, I need you to do some research using Google about the languages spoken in Canada, and then access the Google Docs website to write a 500-word essay about the topic, covering the history of the languages in Canada.
I'll help you with this research and essay writing task. Let's start by searching about languages in Canada. Now let's go to Google Docs to write our essay. Let me open Google Docs through the web browser since clicking the icon didn't work. I'll type docs.google.com in the address bar. I see we've reached the Google Docs page. Let me click on the blank document icon to start a new document. Now that we have reached the Google Docs page, let me write a 500-word essay about languages in Canada based on our research. From what we found, Canada has 2 official languages, English and French, established by the Official Languages Act of 1969.